So Karnataka's internal power tussle that seems to be now playing out in open right from Bengaluru. The action seems to have shifted now to the national capital. The chief minister already here as far as who will now become the next chief minister, if that is a possibility, because now what is being said in some time from now, a direct face meeting that will be taking place when it comes to the leaders of the Congress party, which may also involve the party president Mallikarjun Kharge, and we are looking at Rahul Gandhi's presence as well. So now as far as the position, the Kissa Kursi ka that we are now looking at is directly under the watch of the party high command. Both of the leaders who've been summoned to the national capital, Siddaramaiah has confirmed that he's been called for a key meeting today, but however has also refrained from disclosing the agenda. Meanwhile, his deputy DK Shivkumar has been giving some cryptic answers. Now inside, details coming in of DK Shivkumar's meeting last night that was held ahead of the Delhi huddle. What has now been said that DK Shivkumar and DK Suresh last night discussed and strategized with their supporters about what the present high command could actually do, exactly what could come out to be the result of this said meeting. DK Suresh meanwhile left before DK Shivkumar for Delhi to strategize about today's meeting. That's the update so far that is now coming in. Let's connect with Shefali. So Shefali, anytime now are we expecting any movement from the Karnataka Bhavan? This meeting is now slated between the chief minister and the party high command.
Right, we are currently at Karnataka Bhavan, and Karnataka CM Siddaramaiah is here at Karnataka Bhavan. Also, DK Shivkumar, who is the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, is also here. But what we are learning is that Mr. Siddaramaiah is likely to leave for the meeting in some time, while if Mr. DK Shivkumar is going to leave is still to be ascertained. But for sure, Mr. Siddaramaiah is going to leave in some time now. Many MLAs are also stationed here and in show of support maybe, but many MLAs are also here, and of course in the meeting it is being said that cabinet reshuffle, Rajya Sabha election, upcoming MLC polls, and of course the CM post is likely to be discussed. We know that the meeting is going to take place at around 11 a.m. So in some time, maybe an hour or so, we will be seeing some movement at Karnataka Bhavan where Siddaramaiah will leave for the meeting.
All right. Well, he hasn't given out any clarity as far as what is expected. However, he's been saying that there is going to be a key meeting that would be taking place and he's been summoned for the same. Let's in the meantime get you when it comes to these very two visible and powerful camps within the Karnataka Congress. Now, this is how the Sarkara seems to be divided when it comes to the camps of Siddaramaiah. Backing him is G. Parameshwara, also has this very strong backing of the Chief Minister himself. Then there is his deputy. We're looking at DK Suresh. Already here in the national capital before DK Shivkumar arrived. And also when we talk about the others in the camp, there are prominent names and top ministers who seems to be backing Siddaramaiah for a complete term. So majority of them are already holding ministerial positions within the Karnataka cabinet. Now, as far as when it comes to the strengths and weaknesses, something that of both of the camps are concerned, a big hint, a big message that is now coming in from the Karnataka Chief Minister and his deputy, now both camping in Delhi. And what we have now learned that the Chief Minister seems to have conveyed to the party high command his recommendation of a face that may replace him. However, he says that the chair should go to a Dalit Chief Minister, and he now seems to be vouching for G. Parameshwara, also holding currently the position of the State Home Minister. And according to Siddaramaiah, it will not only boost the party's image in the state, but also at the center. Let's in the meantime connect with Nyamika and Imran, both of them joining us live. So we are getting you this coverage, which is spread across the national capital and also in Bengaluru. So Imran, help us understand. Both sides, however, has been giving out very cryptic messages as the camps are now here in the national capital. The leaders themselves are here in Delhi.
Well, you're absolutely very clear. As of right now, Siddaramaiah doesn't seem to that he wants to relinquish the power, but if he's looking more for cabinet expansion. But also he's kept his cards very close to his chest. He's not giving out any details as to the meeting and what the intended meeting is about. But the buzz is very strong. It's about the CM change, and whereas the state in charge, Surjewala and the others maintain that it is about Rajya Sabha seats and about MLC elections. But everything is not lost on the people. The fact that it is very important, where all the top leaders of the Congress are there. Rahul Gandhi is there, K.C. Venugopal is there, AA President Mallikarjun Kharge is there, State in charge Randeep Surjewala is there. So circulations that something big is going to be discussed, in which the Chief Minister has very clearly said that he wants to continue. He can take the party to 2028 elections, but if the Congress is mulling about leadership change, it should rather be a Dalit, and Dalit because as will bode well both for the state and center, and to hold the party in a better position in 2028 elections. He doesn't want to relinquish the post to DK Shivkumar. He wants to give it to Parameshwara. Now, the DK Shivkumar camp has said that they are also preparing their arguments on their behalf, where clearly say that the DK Shivkumar has worked for the party. He is confident. He is a strategist for the party. He is someone who has brought the party to power in the state. In fact, it's not just with Siddaramaia's leadership, but also his strategy.
But will the Congress party, spring a surprise? If not, DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah would be a third possibility as well. Well, that is also something which is not being ruled out. Loyalist or not, that remains to be seen. But what could happen next? Because the Delhi decision seems to be loading. And let's take a look as far as when it comes to multiple possibilities are concerned. So we'll take you through them one by one. Maintaining the status quo, no leadership change. Siddaramaiah continues for the remainder of the term, which is now approximately said to be about 2 years. Now, power sharing. When it comes to a fresh formula for the Deputy CM and the Chief Ministers to maintain that kind of a balance, which the Congress party seems to have been struggling right when it came to power in the last 3 years. Then a possible shake-up, when it comes to the change in the key positions, that may also happen. So this is also not being ruled out completely. But when it comes to Siddaramaiah, the Karnataka Chief Minister who arrived in the national capital last evening, however, he has confirmed that KC Venugopal invited him for the meeting. And this meeting, one-on-one meeting that has now been slated for today, this morning. And we're expecting that when it comes to KC Venugopal, even when it comes to the party president, Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi are expected to be present. Shefali, any movement there? What are we now looking at? Because from the other camp, we are concerned as far as DK Shivkumar. What happens if any other meeting is slated with him? Because however, he has been saying that, the party office, his party office has been confirming that he's been summoned. But on the face of it, he's been giving other statements.
Right, we'll get more clarity on this. First, we are joined with C. Puttaranga Shetty, who is Karnataka Congress MLA. Sir, you are here. First of all, if you can tell us, many MLAs are also here. If you can give us the number, how many people are here, and what is the reason behind it?
But High Command reshuffle the cabinet.
And what is how many MLAs have come here?
20 MLAs.
And also there are questions being raised or speculation of CM post discussion likely to take place in the meeting. What are your thoughts on it?
But decide to High Command.
Who are you voting for? Like, who do you think? Do you think the Siddaramaiah ji should remain or Mr. DK Shivkumar should step in?
But decide to High Command. High Command might decide.
But were you also being told about the other issues which will take up in the meeting?
But 3 years, Karnataka Congress Sarkar. But 2 years, 2.5 years, cabinet reshuffle. 12 or 30 MLAs new cabinet. But you decide to the High Command.
So the Congress MLA is clearly just saying that the discussion will take place on cabinet reshuffle, not answering the direct question if
well,
CM
been,
post,
Shefali, a very standard response. Niyamika can also agree with that. That often comes in from the Congress party and its leaders saying that the ultimate decision that rests with the party high command. In the meantime, let's listen into what the Chief Minister said last evening when he arrived in the national capital.
The High Command called me, I am coming.
But sir, will there be an important change in the leadership of Karnataka? There are speculations right now regarding the change. Is it going to be the cabinet reshuffle?
Matter of the meeting. I do not know the subject matter of the meeting. Venugopal ji invited me to Bangalore for the
So let's talk about the strengths and weaknesses. If there is a cabinet reshuffle, then will there be a CM reshuffle as well in Karnataka? Well, as far as DK Shivkumar is concerned, he is very well known to be the Congress party's troubleshooter. Siddaramaiah, strong backward class support that he has had. Of course, this is continuously that he's been made as far as the chief minister is now concerned. G. Parmeshwar also said to be a Siddaramaiah loyalist, and he's a Dalit leader with a strong Dalit base and currently serving as the state home minister. Now, DK Shivkumar also having that kind of strengths as far as leading the party to power, and if when it comes to Siddaramaiah, that he still enjoys the support of the majority of the MLAs. Another strength that we are now looking at, however, this would be a weakness, that high-profile corruption cases are continuously haunting DK Shivkumar, and Siddaramaiah seems to be in his final phase of his political career. However, still wants to maintain the kind of significance that he enjoys within the party through his party loyalists. So that is something which is going to be decided upon the party high command. This is something that we have heard from every Congress party leader in Karnataka, and even when it comes to the high command, which comprises of the party president Mallikarjun Kharge, he too meanwhile has declined to comment on the Karnataka power tussle, saying that Rahul Gandhi is the one who will speak on the matter. BJP meanwhile has picked up on this very statement there and has now declared as far as Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress party president, to be a rubber stamp.
आपकी स्टेट से भी कल आप चीफ मिनिस्टर आ रहे हैं, डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर के भी आने की बात है, सब चीज ठीक है क्या? रीशफल की भी बातें हैं क्योंकि आप
नहीं, वो देखिए इसमें मैं नहीं बोल सकता, वो ठीक अलग है। राहुल जी खुद बात करेंगे वो चीजों पे।
Siddaramaiah is not going alone. He's taking all ministers to retain. But one thing, central Congress leader not called Mr. DK Shivkumar. Waiting for the post is DK Shivkumar, for the CM post. They are not given any message to the DK Shivkumar. So, Siddaramaiah wants retain the post. DK Shivkumar want to grab the CM post. I think in this issue, in this fighting, I think Siddaramaiah will win.
Well, that is the speculation that is also being cast by the BJP side as well, saying that so much Nataka is happening within the Karnataka Congress Sarkar that the people of the state are being ignored. Nyamika, what are you hearing? Who will be present as far as this high command meeting is concerned?
Well, there is this crucial meeting of the Karnataka Congress which is going to take place at Indira Bhavan at 11 o'clock, where the top leadership of the Congress party is also going to be present. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, as well as the General Secretary of organization KC Venugopal. All the three leaders are going to hold talks with the Karnataka state leaders, including the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah as well as the Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivkumar. The agenda is also about the change in the leadership. There is a cabinet reshuffle which is also pending, and apart from that, the Rajya Sabha elections which are due in the month of June. All of these issues are going to be discussed in today's meeting, as it is basically can be called as a D-Day for the Karnataka Congress. We have seen that there are a lot of speculations which are currently going on. There are certain possibilities as well regarding the leadership change, because it is basically impacting the Karnataka government there on the ground as well, and that is the only reason why many of the state leaders are also of the view that now this is the time when the High Command should take a decision, because it is also impacting the image of the Karnataka government, and for that reason now these talks are going to take place in the national capital. Whether there is going to be any change or not, that is something which the top leadership has to decide.
So we'll be keeping an eye out on the developments there, right from Bengaluru to New Delhi, where the action seems to have been shifted. Thank you very much, Shefali, Nyamika and Imran, for joining in. We'll continuously be getting our viewers updates on that front.